Okay, the next step is putting powder in the brass. And I'm going to go right through every step, from filling up the thrower to measuring it on the digital scale to putting powder into the brass. So I'm going to use this CFE pistol. This is really versatile power. I load my 380s, my 38 specials, 9mm, 45. This just is great all across the board. So I'm going to pour it in the powder thrower, being really careful. That's fine. Okay. Now I have no idea what this is set for, so I got to find out. So I'm going to take this little tray, I'm going to set it on top of the digital scale before I turn it on, so it zeroes out with the tray on top of the scale. It'll give me an accurate reading when I put the powder in the scale. So I turn it on, it goes to 0. I take this off and it goes minus, which is fine. I'm going to put a load into the tray. Now, you got to look up in the book what kind of bullets you're using, the weight, the type. Now I know I'm using 115 grain full metal jacket round nose 9mm bullets. And I'm using the CFE pistol powder. So you look up the charge in the books, and I know that I need a 5.0 weight charge. So right now I'm at 4.4. So I'm going to open up the powder thrower just a little bit. Try again. .1. That's acceptable. I'm going to triple check these to make sure. If it's really 5.1, then I will use it. 5.1. One more time. If I get another 5.1, I'm going with 5.1. 5.1. Okay. So I know now that this is throwing 5.1. I'm going to take my brass. 9mm just happens to fit inside this little dispenser. So I do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I'm going to look down inside the brass. I'm going to see where the level is on the powder, and they're all the same. So I know that that's good. And just for the heck of it, I'm going to measure the powder to see if it stayed, because sometimes it fluctuates. .0, and that's fine. So there you go. We filled up the powder thrower. We measured this powder on the scale. We filled up the brass. The next step is putting the bullets in and seating the bullets. And that'll be in the next video. See you then.